Now let's take a look at this question. The population of a country is 19,128. The number of men and women is 12,018. The number of men and children is 14,561. The first part of the question says how many children are in the town, and the second part says how many women are in the town. So since we were told that women and women sum up to 12,018, women and men equals to 12,018. Women, children and men, children and men sum up to 14,561. Now, looking at the two things I wrote now, you'll notice that men was referenced in both cases. So it simply means that we could just attach a letter to men, and that would help us to solve this problem. So let's say, let the population of men, be X. So since we've done that, now if it simply means that we can say that the women is 12,018 minus Y. Why did we say so? Remember, the question says men and women sum up to 12,018, and this time we've attached a letter to the men, which is X. So it simply means that when we subtract the number of men from the total of men and women, it gives us the women. So that's why I was saying this. And also we can say the children is 14,561 minus X. Sorry, this was supposed to be X. Minus X. Okay. So now that we've gotten expressions for the children, the women, and also the men, we can simply sum up everything to give us the population. Remember, the total population is this. So let's sum it up to give us the total population. It simply means that the men, which is X, plus the women, which is 12,018 minus X, plus the children, which is 14,561 minus X. These would sum up to give us 19,128. So all I need to do is to simply open up the bracket. And since it's addition we have here, everything still remains the same. So I'm just going to collect like terms. X minus this X. Simply plus 12,018 plus 14,561 equals to 19,12,8. Now this goes off. I'm left with minus X equals to 19,12,8. Then this crosses the equality sign to become a negative number, still in the process of collecting like term. Now this also crosses and it becomes minus 14,561. So we are now left with minus 7,451. Now since we have a negative X here, we're looking for X and not negative X. So we simply do what? Divide through by the coefficient of X, which is -1. And that simply means that X equals to 7,451. So this gives us the population for men. This gives us the population for men. This is the population of the men in the village. Now the first part of the question says, how many children are there? So this is very simple. Since we know that the expression for children Since we know that the expression for children is 14,561 minus x. Now we have our value for x, which is the men. So I'm simply going to subtract it from that and I'll get my answer. So the children simply is 7,110. Also, for the women, is also very simple. We already have an expression for the women, which is 12,018 minus x, which is 7,451. So when we do that, we would be getting 4,567. So this is the value for the women, the population of the women. This is the population of the children and the men. So that's the final answer. Thank you.